Good morning, students. Let's continue solving the past paper. So let us start from the 11th sum. Now, using compass and a straight edge only, construct the bisector of angle BAC. So for this angle, I need to construct angle bisector. How do you construct? From here? Draw an arc, any measurement. Then from here same measurement, make one more arc, and from here cut that above arc. Then join the line like this. This is your angle measurement, angle bisector. This line will divide this angle into two equal parts. Both these angles measurement should be same. Now next, complete the statement. The bisector of angle BAC is the locus of the points that are. Any point on this line will be equidistant from these two lines. That is what you need to write. Are equidistant from AB and AC. Angle bisector, any point on it will be at an equal distance from these two lines. Okay. Now next sum. Ralph and Susie share $57 in the ratio 2:1. Calculate the amount Ralph receives. So how do I do is, total is 57. Here how many parts is total? 3. So how much part is Ralph receiving? 2 parts. So 2 parts how much? Multiply. You cannot multiply question mark, multiply the other side. So it becomes 2 into 57 over 3. So how much will it come? It comes to 38. So Raf is getting 38. So how much is Susie got? 57 minus 38. How much will it result in? 19 it will result in. This was not required for this sum, but for the later sum this was needed. So now see here. Raf gives $2 to Susie. So Raf had $38. He is giving $2 now. So how much is left out with him? $36 now. Now Susie. Susie had how many dollars? Earlier 19. She got $2 from Raf. So total her dollars now is 21. Calculate the new ratio of Raf's money is to Susie's money. First, Raf's money should be kept, which is 36. So 36 is 2. Susie's money is 21. Now cancel. 3 table, 12 times, 7 times. So this is the answer, 12 is to 7. Did you understand? Now next sum. Factorize m cube plus m. What can be taken common in both? Only m. From m cube, m has come out means only m square will be left. Plus m has come out, so only 1 will be left. This cannot be simplified further, so leave it like that. Now next one, 25 minus y square. How can 25 be written? It can be written as 5 square minus y square. So now what formula will you apply here? A square minus b square, which is a minus b into a plus b. So this becomes 5 minus y into 5 plus y. Did you understand? Now next. Factorize x square plus 3x minus 28. So if you multiply a into b, you should get minus 28. And if you add them or subtract them, you should get plus 3. Okay, how do you find out? By taking LCM of 28. Take 2 14s, 2 7s, 7 1s. Okay, 2 into 2 4 and 4 and 7. So here x square plus 3x minus 28 can be written as, I'll write it here. So x square plus 3x minus 28 can be written as x square plus 7x minus 4x minus 28. So from these two x take common, you got x plus 1. So whatever you got here, here also you should get the same thing. So from minus 4x, x is gone inside, so left out is only minus 4. So your answer is x plus 7, and x plus 7 is, I am taking common. So here x and here minus 4. This is the answer. Okay. Now next one. Without using calculator, work out 3 by 4 plus 2 by 3 minus 1 by 8. Denominators are not same. So you need to take LCM of them. So what will be the LCM of 4, 3 and 8? If I start with 2, 2 is 3, 4. Next again 2, 1, 3, 2. So my LCM will be 3, 1, 1, 2, then 2, 1, 1. So that will be 2 into 2, 4, 4 into 3, 12, 12 into 2. 24 is the LCM. Now 4 should become 24 means into 6 into 6. So 3 into 6 is 18. Plus 3 should become 24 means into 8 into 8. So 16 minus 8 should become 24 means into 3 into 3. So 1 into 3 is 3. So 18 plus 16 is 34, minus 1 is 31. 31 by 24 is the answer. But what are they asking? You must show all your working. Give your answer as a mixed number. As a mixed number I want. So divide 31 with 24. 24 ones, 24, remainder is 7. So here 24 in the mixed fraction also 24 is same. This quotient will come here, remainder will be here. So this is a mixed fraction of 31 by 24. Did you understand? Next sum. The Venn diagram shows the number of people who like films, music and reading. Okay. Films is F, music is M, reading is R. Find N of M. Which circle is M? This entire circle. N of M means how many elements are there in entire M circle. So 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 0. So 5 and 4 it is 9 is the answer. Okay. Now next one. R union M. R union M means which part? It includes both R and as well as M. So add all of them. 2 plus 3, 5 plus 4, 9, 10, 11, 12. So R union M is 12. Now next one. A person is chosen at random from the people who like films. How many people are there in films now? 8, 9, 10, 11 plus 3, 14. Write down the probability that person also like music. From those 14 only you need to choose someone who likes music. So that 14 should be written in the denominator. That is given by this statement. From the people who like films, from them only you need to choose a person who like music. So from this entire film, how many like music? Only this 2 and 3. So total is 5. So 5 over 14 is the answer. This statement has a use. Don't think it's of no use. Okay. Now next one. On the Venn diagram, shade M complement intersection F union R. First is M complement. M complement means leaving M. So leaving M, I shaded this stroked lines. Clear so far? Now next is F union R means F and R. I am placing stars in F and R. Okay. Right. In between them, what do I have? Intersection means both. So the part which has come in lines and also into, that is the answer. So which part is there which is present in both this one and also this one? So this is the answer. Where only stroke line is there, that's not the answer. Where only into mark are there, that's not the answer. Intersection means both stroke line and as well as into. That is the answer. Okay, next sum now. Did you understand? This is the answer. Next. BC equal to this, BA equal to this, minus find CA. In my earlier video, how did I tell CA can be written as OA minus OC? It could be any, since here you have B. So in place of O, I can place B. So BA minus BC. Okay. So let's start. How much is BA given? Minus 5 and 6. Minus how much is BC given? 2 and 3. So how much will it result in? Minus 5 minus 2 is minus 3. 6 minus 3 is 3. So that is your CA. Minus 5 and minus 7 and 3. Now work out BA. Magnitude. BA magnitude is nothing but square root of minus 5 whole square plus 6 square. Place in the calculator, you get around 7.81. This is the answer. Okay.